This is the American Center building in Southfield, Michigan, home of American Motors Corporation. These are the executive offices housing all the administrative, marketing, sales, financial, and legal departments. Several miles to the east in Detroit is the Amtech Center. This facility houses the design, research, engineering, and test facilities, plus purchasing and a major computer center. This is where the new vehicles begin their lives. First as ideas to meet certain objectives, next as drawings, then as clay models, and eventually as prototypes. The main manufacturing facilities are located in Kenosha, Wisconsin, and Toledo, Ohio, with a Canadian manufacturing plant in Brampton, near Toronto. Here in Kenosha, we build the highly successful Alliance and Encore models. While the exterior of the building suggests a page out of the past, the interior is all Star Wars. Here, literally millions of dollars of robotics are building some of the highest quality vehicles made in the U.S. today. Working along with the skilled hands of dedicated employees, these cars come off the line with a fit and finish that is setting high standards for American industry. Here in Toledo, we make the full line of Jeep CJs, Scramblers, Jeep trucks, Grand Wagoneers, and the highly successful Cherokees and Wagoneers. As with the Kenosha plant, the inside belies the outside. Here, too, you'll see millions of dollars of robotics building Wagoneers and Cherokees with a precision and quality virtually unequaled by any of our competitors. The benefit of all this space-age technology is that our customers are deriving greater satisfaction from the reliability and durability of their cars, while you gain the benefit of being able to sell cars with the confidence that they'll perform as advertised. In Brampton, Ontario, we build the AMC Eagles for both the U.S. and Canadian markets. We're also in the process of building another new Canadian plant for the manufacture of all new Renault models. American Motors also maintains 2 road test facilities. This one in Burlington, Wisconsin, features a high-speed track plus a myriad of road surfaces to study component durability and handling characteristics. They are also equipped to perform crash tests. A second facility is located in Yuma, Arizona. Here, cars are tested on rugged desert terrain and in the most severe heat to be found anywhere in the United States. American Motors is a public corporation with total sales in the range of $4 billion. The French manufacturer, Renault, became our partner in North America in 1980 through an investment in stock. As the scope of the partnership grew, so did Renault's investment. This investment now amounts to 46% of AMC's common stock and has been a key factor in bringing new automotive products to the market with advanced manufacturing technology at Kenosha, Toledo, and Brampton. For most of us, French technology is symbolized by the Concorde. And yet, while this supersonic jet leads the world in advanced commercial flight, it may surprise you to know that the leading French industrial organization is not the one that builds Concordes, but the one that builds cars. Let's start with some facts. Renault is the 5th largest car company in the world, turning out more than 2 million cars per year. Renault is the 31st largest industrial corporation in the world. While today most of the cars sold in the U.S. and Canada bearing the Renault name are built in Kenosha, we still import the Renault Fuego and the Renault Sportwagon directly from France. In Canada, 2 other imported cars round out their line, the Renault 18i and the Renault R5, the Le Car as we've come to know it. Obviously, to most of us, the name Renault means cars. Yet, for all their 8 decades of experience as an automotive manufacturer, the corporation is much more than that. Renault Group has many faces and many names, together representing well over 40 different companies. Companies which together span a world of technology, products, and services. Renault builds trucks, about 300,000 a year, from 4-cylinder light vans up to 38-ton tractor trailers. In between, there are dozens of light, medium, and upper-range commercial vehicles. Renault also produces a wide range of buses and coaches and trucks for a long list of specialized needs. Renault serves agriculture, forestry, and public works with a full range of tractors. Renault Group companies build engines for almost every conceivable need, from lawnmowers to inboard boat motors to car motors. Renault makes bicycles, over 100 different models for racing, for sport, for people of all ages. They're one of the largest machine tool builders in Europe, building the tools and machines needed to build other tools and machines, from the simplest press to the most advanced industrial robots. The list of industrial products includes high-grade steel, bearings, cutting tools, mechanical parts, automated systems, castings, and products in rubber and plastic. Renault also provides engineering and consulting contracting. There's export management and a complete range of transportation services to move all types of goods by land, air, and sea to destinations anywhere in the world. Here, a shipment of cars sets off for Canada. Renault not only builds cars, they rent them through Europe Car. Through diversity, Renault has built strength. Yet the heart of the company remains the automobile, representing almost 75% of total Renault Group revenue. Today, Renault manufactures 12 basic models, of which there are 160 versions. The R5, the European version of Le Car, is the second highest selling car in the world. In France, Renault automobiles, trucks, and parts are manufactured in 11 different plants and 12 manufacturing subsidiaries, while another 40 assembly and manufacturing facilities are located in 24 countries around the world. Over 1 million cars, almost 50% of the total Renault product, are exported or built in plants outside France. With the joining of the two companies, both American Motors and Renault have realized benefits that go far beyond the expansion of an important market for Renault. The major benefit has been the impact of billions of dollars of automotive engineering and technology on our total product line. All our new products, built with the aid of the robotics you saw in Kenosha and Toledo, are the result of this association. Together, American Motors and Renault have created an organization that is stronger, more innovative, and better able to build for the future than ever before in our history. As new cars continue to roll into the marketplace, winning new acclaim for our technical and innovative excellence, we can conclude with just one thought. This is just the beginning.